Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my channel. So I recently got the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus in black and in lilac purple version. So I got two phones. These are the ones with the Exynos chip in it, not the Snapdragon version. They're the 64 GB of storage and they have the 6 GB of RAM. So this is gonna be a simple unboxing video telling you what's inside the box. And to my surprise, uh, I found that Samsung in Asia at least decided to include a case. It's a simple case, but I'm glad that they included it because the phone is pretty big and not that easy to handle because of the curved edges. So if you like the content in my channel, do support the channel because it means a lot to small YouTubers like me and motivates me to create more videos for you. If you have questions about this phone, then do drop it in the comments as well. I'll try to get back to it as soon as possible. And I plan to make a few more videos with these phones, long-term usability and camera tests and size comparisons and so on. So do look out for those as well. And yeah, without further ado, I hope you enjoy the content and talk to you again later. Enjoy the video.